Jamaica, first 20,000 hotel room resort. Should be Harmony Cove Beach project? The Harmony Cove Beach Resort in Trelawny could turn Trelawny into a tourist city. Modifying the Harmony Cove plan to include 20,000 all-inclusive hotel rooms would create a massive tourism hub, generating significant employment and economic growth. This approach would require extensive infrastructure planning, investment, and collaboration with the Jamaican government and private sector developers. I would also propose expanding roads, utilities, and transportation links in the area to support such a large-scale project. Though most of this is already in the planning stages, for example, the $2 billion Northern Coastal Highway project, etc. An official article to make the Harmony Cove project into a 1,000 rooms hotel project was published Monday, February 3, 2025, at 5:05 p.m. by Lester Hinds, a Gleaner writer. The proposed $1 billion Harmony Cove development. The long-awaited Harmony Cove project is expected to move one step closer to getting off the ground, with Cabinet slated to receive a document outlining the financial incentives under the agreement for review. The Government of Jamaica, through Harmonisation Limited, had entered into a definitive framework agreement with the Tavistock Group for the development of the Harmony Cove project as a major integrated resort in Trelawny. Last July, the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service said Tavistock Group had indicated that the investment capital and startup costs associated with the project would be approximately $1 billion. The Harmony Cove project was conceived 2 decades ago but has been stalled due to lack of funding. It is a luxury resort development in Trelawny that is a collaboration between Nexus Luxury Collection and the Government of Jamaica. The project is a joint venture between Harmonisation Limited, a government-owned entity, and Tavistock Group, a private investment company. According to the Finance Ministry, the joint venture agreement for development of Harmony Cove has been significantly revised and updated to reflect a balance of responsibilities and interests between the Government of Jamaica and global private investors. Last night, Finance Minister Favoll Williams disclosed that the agreement had been signed as all issues had been worked out and that the document would go to Cabinet on Monday. Williams was speaking on the Let's Connect Diaspora Town Hall meeting hosted by Jamaica's ambassador to the United States, Audrey Marks. Peter Carrington, a partner in Nexus Luxury, thanked Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Minister Williams for moving the project forward. We are looking to bring Harmony Cove to life. Carrington had previously told the Gleaner that groundbreaking for the project would be in the second half of this year, 21 years after it was first announced. Last year, Christopher Anand, the chief executive officer of Nexus Luxury Collection, said the development would consist of a 26-story hotel with 1,000 rooms, a 32,000-square-foot full-service casino group, and meeting rooms and 18-hole championship golf course, designed and developed by Tiger Woods, an entertainment music facility developed by Justin Timberlake Beach, and marine activities, a beachfront, a pool. He said the development would not be an all-inclusive concept, but rather a family-oriented facility. For financing, Anand said an IPO would be offered and Jamaicans would be able to purchase shares in the development. We want Jamaicans participating in this project, and we believe that the best way is for them to invest in the project, he said. He said small investors would be targeted for investment in the project. The Nexus Luxury Collection's CEO said the project will employ some 4,000 Jamaicans at salaries much higher than what is currently being paid in the tourism industry on the island. Editorial at gleanerjm.com. Personally, I think Harmony Cove is a waste of beachland. That 2,300-acre property should have had 20,000 all-inclusive hotel rooms built on it. That property could have been divided into 20 by 100 acres plots of land and be franchised to 20 separate hotels of 1,000 rooms each to provide jobs for the local people. That would still leave 300 acres of land to do the luxury things that the government is envisioning. The Jamaican government needs to understand that hotels can be stocked one beside each other like supermarkets on the high street. This is how many hotels are built in Europe and the USA. It's one hotel next to each other, sometimes joining each other like stores on the high street. This is what the Jamaican government needs to do if they are serious about hosting another 4 million visitors per year. Bearing in mind that Jamaica needs to host another 10 million visitors each year to match the Barbados tourism industry. Hence, hosting an additional 4 million visitors each year still puts Jamaica far behind most of its Caribbean neighbors in terms of visitor numbers per population size. Jamaica would need an extra 100,000 hotel rooms to host an extra 5 million visitors per year to our country, bearing in mind that at the end of 2023, Prime Minister Andrew Holness gave Edmund Bartlett a command to double the tourism sector from 4 million visitors to 8 million visitors each year. Hence, I would propose modifying the current Harmony Cove plan to accommodate 20,000 hotel rooms, or a new site should be developed with this vision in mind. The vision to start stocking hotels next to each other on large acreages of beachland is something that Jamaica needs to start doing. Divide the land in 100 acres lots, then franchise off the properties for 1,000 hotel rooms on each 100 acres plot of land. This clustering of up to 20 hotels next to each other on any beachland that is over 1,000 acres must come into effect for all new hotel developments in Jamaica. A 1,000 rooms hotel does not need more than 100 acres of land. Some small islands in the Caribbean have a 1,000 rooms hotel on 25 acres of land. RIU Negril at Bloody Bay Beach has a 420 rooms hotel on 25 acres of land, and the hotel complex still has lots of space around it. My vision emphasizes large-scale employment and economic benefits for the local community, which aligns with my broader goal of using tourism to reduce crime and provide opportunities for Jamaican youths. A development of that scale of 20,000 rooms could significantly impact Trelawny's economy, creating thousands of jobs in hospitality, construction, and related industries. Some key features of the UK £50 billion repatriation funding programme are 200 hotels to be built across Jamaica over the next 10 years, from 2025 to 2034, especially near areas with high unemployment rates, earning an extra $10 billion each year for Jamaica. Providing 300,000 permanent full-time jobs for low-skilled citizens in rural parishes across Jamaica. 300,000 affordable housing units to be built over the next 10 years, from 2025 to 2034. 30,000 to be built each year. Franchises for the first 100 large, all-inclusive hotels will be given to foreign direct investment over the next 1 to 5 years, from 2025 to 2029. Each hotel costing approximately £200 million to build, totaling £40 billion, all paid for by the FDI's repatriation money coming back to Jamaica. A national living wage to be established in Jamaica, raising the current minimum wage by 15% each year, reaching 30,000 Jamaican dollars per week by 2030. Payable to all hotel workers. Jamaica's agriculture needs to start growing by 20% every year for the next 10 years and beyond. This is to create stability in the country as the tourism industry starts growing by 20% every year for the next 10 years. Remember to let us know what you think about this video by leaving your comments below. Please keep your comments respectful. God bless you, God bless the Jamaican Parliament, and God bless Jamaica. Until my next video, peace and love. This is part 3 of my current series. Look out for part 4.